Hi everybody, I'm Jen Thompson. This is Everyday Wellness. Today I am showing you how easy it is to make some meals ahead of time that are delicious, that are fresh, that are full of all the balanced nutrients that you need, and that are going to make your life a little less stressful. Okay, so super simple. In today's meal, I call this one a chicken fajita bowl, and it's one of my Jen Fit and Fresh meals. I tend to do these at my studio at least once a week. I offer a meal out so that my members, anybody who's ever worked with me, can order one and just stay on track with their fresh foods and nutrition. So simple. I am going to turn the camera around and show you what I've done, but really all of this meal prep was done in about 30 minutes or less, probably. I chopped up things, I made some things, so super easy. I'm telling you, you can do this and you're gonna be thankful that you watched this video and you learned more about how to make ahead meals for you and your family. All right, here you go. This is so simple, but guys, everything I made is as fresh as I can do it. So these are from a bag black beans, okay? So all I had to do was soak them overnight and then I cooked them on the stove until they were tender. Easy peasy, that's all you have to do. I cut up a bunch of peppers and onions and I threw a little bit of taco seasoning on top, sauteed them a little bit so they're tender. Okay, they're in the little warmer. If you don't have one of these are so great. I tend to use these a lot when I'm doing these Jen Fit meals. This is brown rice. Again, I just made it fresh this morning. I put it over on the stove. I got ready while it was cooking. It was done. Okay, I did put a little taco seasoning on that as well. Okay, so now over here, this is how I prep the bowl. I have romaine, some spinach, and some cabbage carrot mixture on top. Okay, so just gives that salad a little crunch, or the rice bowl a little crunch. I will be topping it with salsa, and this is a cilantro dressing. Look at that. It's avocado, cilantro, Greek yogurt, lime juice, and avocado oil. That's it. And you blend it up and you put a little dollop on top. Okay, here's my chicken all diced up. Taco seasoning on that as well. So it makes that fajita-like, okay? So I combine all of those things on top of my salad, dollop it with salsa and cilantro, throw a few cherry tomatoes on there, and this bowl is amazing, okay? So now if you didn't want the salad and the mixture on top for the rest of the week, just prepare your hot foods in a different bowl and then combine them when you're ready to eat. It's seriously a stress relieving thing that I do every week is to prepare some sort of bowl, either salads ahead of time or hot bowls like this. So easy, guys. I need you to try this and tell me what you think about the nutrition of it and also how easy it made your life. Meal prep is where it's at. You can do this. Contact me with any questions at generationfitness.com. Or reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram with Generation Fitness, and that's with a J. Hope to see everybody at the next video. Make sure you subscribe to Generation Fitness Everyday Wellness. Talk to you later.